Hello everyone, it's Stephanie here with the brand new review for the My Favorite Things February card kit, Tweet Greetings. Celebrate your flock of friends and loved ones with this comprehensive array of dies featuring multi-layer birds, leaves, flowers, and other decorative elements. The envelope and heart seals can deliver a message of devotion to those that mean the most via the most charming feathered friends. While birds often nest in the treetops or secluded ground, a sweet little birdhouse is a welcome spot for them to spend some time as well. This charming little house features a heart door, layering options for the roof and base, and the choice of either a ring for hanging or a pole for planting in the ground. Bird-themed greetings for a variety of occasions that work for friends and loved ones alike are a must-have addition to your stash, especially when you covet dies featuring feathered friends and their coordinating accessories. Tweet Greetings features a range of sentiment options in a classic font sized to allow the winged stars of your card to shine and are the perfect complement to the birds of a feather and home tweet home die sets. You can't help but experience good vibes when you use the Happy Patterns paper pad. Cheery colors anchor this array of classic stripes and dots, peppy ginghams and hearts, and scene-setting clouds and wood grains. Can you fall in love with a paper pad? You're about to find out. And as always, we have a great selection of cardstock in this month's kit, including 2 sheets of smooth white and 1 sheet each of Craft, Black Licorice, Cotton Candy, Moroccan Spice, Orange Zest, Lemon Drop, Limelight, Sour Apple, Snow Cone, Summer Splash, and Something Blue. So let's go ahead and take one more quick look at everything that's going to come in this month's Tweet Greetings card kit. You're going to get your selection of cardstock colors, the new paper pad called Happy Patterns, the 4x4 stamp set called Tweet Greetings, and then we have the 2 coordinating die options, which include Home Tweet Home as well as Birds of a Feather, which is a fantastic die set that features everything you need to create an array of birds for your card front. Beautiful Branch is the free with 60 option releasing with this month's kit and can be used alone to provide a perch of birds or other animals or to hang elements. Alternatively, use multiple branches to create a crisscross canopy of leaves, one little branch with big possibility. And last but not least, we have another die that's available for purchase separately that coordinates with this month's kit. Featuring a charming die-cut heart at the top of each picket, this set includes both a base layer and a trio of individual pickets that can be layered on top, providing additional depth and color contrast. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick look at all of the products featured in the new Tweet Greetings card kit, releasing on February 22nd at 10 a.m. Eastern at My Favorite Things. As always, I appreciate you being here for another video, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.